Everything is easy when you are busy, but nothing is easy when you are lazy. Starting with the words of Swami Vivekanand, I, on behalf of Edural classes, is having a very good news for you. Hello students, hope you are doing great and excited for your new academic session. As we know, a significant portion of students in India, particularly rural India, have problem with basic English. They even struggle with basic proficiency in English language. Annual Status of Education report reveals 42% of youngsters in rural Bharat have difficulty in reading sentences and with reading basic English. Additionally, 76% of government school students face problem with the basic English reading, pronunciation, and other relevant issues. English is not just a mere language, but a surviving skill in today's era. It is directly linked with your confidence, communication, and personality. You can have unfair advantage in almost every sphere of your life if you had good command. This is Somya Prakash, your guide towards speaking English correctly and confidently. Talking about myself, did my schooling from St. Michael's High School, graduation from Patna Women's College, and masters from Patna University. I have counseled hundreds of students for speaking English correctly, clearly, and confidently. Maths, science, no matter what stream or subject you choose, or no matter what exam you give, the questions will be either in English or Hindi language. So, to master you all in the subject, I am here with a series of lectures on literature and grammar, building your foundation. Master you all in the English subject and literature as well as grammar. We Edural classes are here with a series of English. Stay connected for building your foundation in English strong. Thank you.